Good morning, friends. So, today we are going to learn something very interesting. Hope you all are safe and fine and happy at your homes. So, let's hope this pandemic situation get rid of us soon. Now, have you heard of solar system? Yes, I'm sure that all of you have heard of the word solar system, either from your friends, parents, or teachers. So today we are going to see how a solar system looks like. Yes, you heard it right. How the solar system looks like and how it's arranged, where are all the planets, what are the stars, all those things we are going to cover in this lesson. So are you ready? Yes, that's the spirit. Come on. So let's see how the solar system looks like. I need a solar system here. Come on. Okay, so yeah. So is it fine? Can you see the solar system? Okay. So let's increase the size a little bit so that you can see in better clarity. Yeah, great. So now you can see the planet, 8 planets having the revolutions around the sun. And you can also see the planets are rotating and it's having a revolution around the sun. So the sun is a star. It is the biggest star that we can see. It is the closest star that we can see from Earth. So you can see here our Earth. It's also rotating around the sun. So it takes 365 days to complete a full rotation around the stars. So you can just come close and have a look around the solar system, how it is, how it looks like, each and every planet. And yes, we are going to take a greater look around the planets also. Each and every planet we are going to cover. Okay. Hope you guys had a better look at solar system. So now you can see how it is arranged. So normally you cannot see it from eyes, but with augmented reality technology we have brought this in front of your eyes. So this look exactly the same as we view it from the space. So we use large telescopes to view these structures, these planets, these structures, everything. So this is how it is done. Now let's have a closer look on each and every planet and the sun. So first let's have a look on the sun. Yeah. Yes. So this is the star sun. So don't get confused by the size, but this is actually very huge. We have brought all these planets to a scaled down model so that we can see it from our eyes. This is very huge actually. So now you can see the structure of the sun, how it looks. So it emits a lot of energy, and from miles away the sun is light years away from Earth, and you can see how the sun's light. See, currently the light we are having here is because of our sun, right? So the sun is light years away, producing the light that gives us the light to Earth. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Yes, so now you can see our next planet, that is called Mercury. So Mercury is a planet which is very close to the sun. It's very close to the sun. So when we see the solar system structure, you can see you see that the Mercury was very close to the sun, and it's revolving very fast around the sun because it is very close. And one more fact about Mercury is it takes around 87.97 days to revolve around the sun. So our Earth will take about 365 days to revolve around the sun. Now the Mercury takes about 87.97 days to revolve around the sun. So what comes after Venus? Come on, you guys know it. Yes, after Venus it comes Earth, our planet Earth where we live in. So are you ready to see how Earth look like? Yes. So the next planet is Earth. So now this time let's see our planet Earth. Here we have marked completely all the countries and everything in the Earth. And this time let's see our Earth in a bigger form, in a bigger size, so that we can come into detailing. So let's for a fun fact, for a fun experiments, we can let's have a fun experiment with our planet Earth. Are you ready for it? So the experiment is, let's find where our country India is. Okay, so I am coming from India. So let's see where India is. So are you ready to find? Let's come closer and search around how where India is. And can you see? Can you see where India is? Okay. Yes. So there it is. There it is. We can see our Asia continent, and below that we can see our country India there, and we can see all the countries here. All the continents are there, and yeah. So that's amazing. With this augmented reality technology, this is the greatest benefit that we have. We can visualize. We can bring into class anything under the sun. Or you have seen, it's not under the sun, it's everything in the universe, because we have brought in the whole solar system here. So it's basically everything that ever exists or that doesn't exist, everything out of imagination. We can create it and bring it with augmented reality. Yes, so saying that, let's move on to our next planet, which is called, yes, you guys know that, because past few years all the countries, especially India and USA, have been doing a lot of research on this planet, which is called the Mars. Yes. So now we're gonna look at it. So yes, now I don't think we need to explain more about Mars here, because you people already have seen the pictures in newspapers, photographs, and all those things. So let's move on to the next planet. Okay, which is Jupiter. Yes, so Jupiter is very big. It's very big planet. Now it is the largest planet in the solar system. So you can see. So let's have a very big view of Jupiter here. Let's increase the size. Come on, let's increase the size to like huge. Yes. Now you can see how large is Jupiter. So how you can see the texture in a closer look about. Now so now let's bring it into the original size. Yes. So you can see the Jupiter. So let's now see the next planet, which is Saturn. So next planet is Saturn. So now you can see a 3D model of the Saturn here. So unlike other planet which is in a kind of circular shape, this planet is having a ring around it. Yes, you can see the ring right here. So a ring around it, it is not a physical space or a physical substance that is formed around the Saturn. It's actually a cloud of dust and asteroids and meteoroid particles actually forming around and rotating along with the planet. So it's not a physical space, but yes, there we can see a thick cloud. So when we see at the sky, when we look at the sky, we can see a cloud, right? But it's actually a combination of water vapors and dust and all those things, right? But we see a physical structure there, right? So like that, we can see this cloud around Saturn. So so this is Saturn, and let's move to our next planet, which is Uranus. Yes, Uranus is the planet which is the second last from the solar system with respect to the distance from the sun. Is actually, it's having a cyan kind of color. We just put this color to represent how Uranus looks like. So actually it's not approximately, it's not actually 100% this color. So you can see how it looks like. It's kind of a plain structure. And so let's see the last planet in our solar system, which is the Neptune. Now this is Neptune. This planet is called Neptune, and this is the last in the solar system. So it's very far. It's very far away from the sun, and it is the furthest planet that in sun. You can see dark blue structure in Neptune. So that consists of our solar system. Before there was one more planet which was called Pluto. It was removed from the solar system. So before Pluto was a very small planet which was very far from the sun, and its orbital was not as circular as we see in the other planets in the solar system. So once more, let's have a look at the complete solar system so that we can wrap it up and finish the session. So yes, come on, let's have a humongous look of our 3D solar system. Yes, so let's wrap it up. Now let's see the solar system here, and we can see all the planets which we discussed. Now there in this orbits, there are orbits. So let's count it in the order, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. What comes next? Jupiter. Yeah, correct. Next comes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes, and that's our solar system. Hello guys, hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.